We have many different languages, spoken languages in Nepal. The main languages is the Newari language, very, very old language. Sherpa, which is very similar to Tibetan language. And there's a Tamang, there's a Mangar, there's a numerous languages. But of course, everybody speak the Nepali language, which is our national language. National language is a derivative of Indian language because our country is bordered with India, which has an open border. But because the Chinese border is all unpassable Himalayas, we don't have many Chinese coming to Nepal, so the Chinese culture is very, very less. The language barrier has no effect on people's attitude. All speak their language to their own, and there is no rivalry between one language to the other. It is very interesting to know about language, how they came, how they got to know, and they are so different, yet the government do not have the resources to preserve those languages. So many places now, they are losing their language and only concentrating in Nepalese language. There's in the school or the colleges, there is no special language, all taught in Nepalese language, and most priority is given to the English language because of the benefit of English language. Children are very keen to learn the English language. The Newari language now has its own radio show, which is fantastic, and also with the help of foreign aids, foreign agencies, Kathmandu is getting some of the temples, its facelift, which again historically very, very, very good.